How an online divorce works in New York, and when to avoid it. Filing for divorce in New York doesn't always require court appearances or drawn-out legal battles. For many couples, especially those who agree on all major issues, the process can be handled digitally. Thanks to the state's electronic system and online tools, uncontested divorces can often be filed and finalized without stepping into a courtroom. But that convenience doesn't apply to every case. There are serious legal requirements and situations where online divorce simply isn't the right fit. Legal framework for online divorce in New York. Online divorce in New York is only available for uncontested cases. That means both spouses must agree on everything: property division, child custody, support, and the divorce itself. If those conditions are met, digital services and platforms can assist in preparing forms, and in many counties, those documents can be filed through NYSCEF, the New York State Court's electronic filing system. It's critical to understand that filing online does not replace judicial review. Judges still sign off on divorce judgments. Some counties do not participate in e-filing, and even those that do still require physical service of the initial paperwork. Electronic service is not allowed. Contested divorces, on the other hand, involve formal litigation. These cannot be resolved online. They require court appearances, evidence, motions, and possibly trials. In those cases, a lawyer is essential to protect your rights and guide the process through the traditional legal system. When to avoid an online divorce. Online divorce may be convenient, but it's not for everyone. If there is any dispute over assets, children, or the divorce itself, you can't proceed online. Significant or complex assets, like real estate or business interests, also make online services a poor fit. Disagreements over parenting, or even a power imbalance in the relationship, demand in-person legal attention. The same applies if your spouse is incooperative, missing, or lives out of state or country. International or interstate issues bring in legal complexities beyond the scope of digital platforms. And if you're unsure about the fairness of an agreement, especially if it involves waiving financial rights, don't sign anything until an attorney has reviewed it. What is an online divorce and how does it work? Online divorce in New York refers to the digital preparation and, in many cases, e-filing of documents related to an uncontested divorce. It doesn't mean your divorce happens over Zoom. Instead, it means the administrative process, from document completion to submission, can often be done from home. First, eligibility must be confirmed. At least one spouse must meet New York's residency rules. The couple must agree on all major terms. Next, forms like the summons, complaint, and affidavits must be filled out, either through the court's DIY tool, downloadable PDFs, or reputable online services. Documents are then filed, often via NYSCEF, and the spouse must be personally served by someone over 18 who is not involved in the case. After the waiting period passes, final documents like the judgment of divorce are submitted for judicial approval. If accepted, the judgment is signed by a judge and entered by the clerk. Only then is the divorce considered final, and you must serve your ex-spouse with a copy of the signed judgment. While many steps can be completed online, others, like personal service and judicial review, cannot be skipped. Even simple mistakes can delay or derail the process. Working with legal support. Even in uncontested cases, a divorce attorney can play an important role. Reviewing agreements before submission helps avoid issues and ensures your rights are protected. Some law firms offer limited scope reviews for flat fees, giving you peace of mind without unnecessary cost. A law firm can also confirm whether your county allows e-filing, help you track deadlines, and ensure you avoid common mistakes that could delay your divorce or result in rejected paperwork. If you're considering online divorce in New York, working with a lawyer is a smart step toward ensuring everything is done correctly. Whether you need a quick review or full representation, legal guidance can make all the difference. For trusted support, contact Juan Luciano divorce lawyer at 212-537-5859 or visit the office at 347 5th Avenue, STE 1003, New York, 10016, United States.